Yo, what's up, everyone? Again, today we will be working on using how to use the inverse matrix to solve a system of linear equations, but here a little bit complicated. The first thing what we have to do is rewrite in a matrix form. So let's rewrite them. Here I need to write the coefficients of each letter. So x, y, z in this form we're gonna follow. So x has 1, it's hidden 1. Y has 1, 2, oops, 1, and I have z. I don't have a z, I mean 0. So then x has -1, -1. Y has +3, and then z has a 4. So then I don't have x, that means 0. But then I have y, 4, then the z is +3. All right, this is my matrix A. Oops, matrix A. Then I have x, y, z in this order, x, y, z. So this is x. Then this is equals to 3, -3, 3, -3, and the 2. So this is B. So A times x equals to B. But remember from the previous videos, you have to multiply by its inverse on both sides to be able to solve these equations. In this case, I'm going to get the immediate inverse matrix for A. I'm not going to solve because it will take too long. So my inverse matrix here, inverse matrix will be, so it's ready. Let me just write it down here. It will be 7/4. It is -3/4, and it's 1. Okay, then it is 3/4, -3/4, and 1. And the final one is -1, 1, and -1. Oops. Okay, this is my inverse matrix. Oh, by the way, you can Google it as well. When you multiply inverse matrix and matrix, so it will give you multiplicative identity 3 here. Why 3? Because I have 3 by 3 matrix. And we have multiplied by x, which is equal to on the right side. We have inverse matrix multiplied by b. Okay, what is next? Next, when you multiply any multiplicative identity by a matrix, it will give you the same thing. So means multiplicative identity 3 multiplied by x, it will give me just x, which is equals to A matrix inverse multiplied by B. Here, what do we have? Hold on. Okay, what is my x? X is x, y, z, x, y, z, equals to, what is my inverse matrix? Oops. My inverse matrix right here. 7/4, -3/4, and 1. Then 3/4, -3/4, and 1. -1, 1, -1. Then multiplied by b. b is 3, -3, and then 2. Okay. To get the x, y, z, x, y, z, x, y, z, we have to just multiply first row by this column. When you multiply 7/4 multiplied by 3, first number and first number, you will have 21/4. So 21/4. Then second number by second number, 3 over 4 multiplied by -3, you will have -9 over 4. So then -1 multiplied by 2 you will have -2. So I'm going to write over 1 because -2 divided by 1 is the same thing. And here I have to find the all right, let me just go ahead and do the next one. -3 over 4 multiplied by 3 will give me -9 over 4. Sorry. Then -3 over 4 multiplied by next number, -3, it will give me a positive 9 over 4. And then the third number by third number will give you positive 2. Okay. All right. And the last one is this row. 1 multiplied by 3 is 1. 1 multiplied by -3 is -3. -1 multiplied by 2 is -2. Okay. Next, what is next? We have to solve each of them here. Since I don't have the common denominator, I can create it. I can create it by multiplying by 4 this side, and the rest is by 1. So 4 and 4, I'll have 4, 4, 4. Here I'll have 8. So my denominator will be 4 and 21 minus 9 and -8. Then here I have positive and negative, the same things. I can cancel them. I'll have only 2 left. And then here 1 minus 3 is -2. -2 minus 2 is -4. So next, oops. 21 minus 9 minus 8. So total it is 17, 17 and 4. So it will be 4 over 4. So this is 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. Then I have 2, then -4. So this is my x, this is my y, this is my z. Oops. So these are the final answers. You can double check. Okay. Or let's double check 1, 2, and -4. So let's solve the last one. Just 4y plus 3z equals to 2, whereas my y is equals to 2, and then z equals to -4. So 4 multiplied by 2 plus 3 multiplied by -4, is that right? Okay. Yep. -4. Y equals to 2. That's 8 plus, that's -12, which is equals to -4, which is not correct. Surprise. What we have done wrong. Maybe I wrote some numbers wrong. Now I know the problem. Okay, here. 1 multiplied by 3 is not 1, it's 3. So 3 minus 3, it is 0. So I'll have -2 here only. So this is -2. Z is -2. Okay, here let me replace it with -2. So 3 multiplied by -2 is -6. So 8 plus -6 will give you 2. Now it's correct. All right, guys. This is the end. Bye-bye.